Tucked away on a private gated lane in the heart of Happy Valley, this is where luxury meets serenity. With stunning views of Mount Hood, every day begins with something extraordinary. Just minutes from top-rated schools, parks, and everyday conveniences, yet perfectly removed from it all. Beyond the gates, a custom-built retreat designed for both comfort and connection, with a saltwater pool, spa, and expansive decks. Inside, discover timeless craftsmanship and design with soaring ceilings, a striking stone fireplace, and rich wood details. Set on over an acre, the outdoor living is simply unforgettable. The gourmet kitchen is both beautiful and functional, featuring honed granite countertops, a gas cooktop, and a seamless flow for gathering. Plus a large walk-in pantry. Double doors open to the office with a built-in desk. From the refinished white oak floors to the fir moldings, no detail is overlooked. The main-level primary suite offers a quiet escape, complete with its own fireplace, tranquil views, and a spa-inspired bath. The lower level offers incredible flexibility, perfectly suited for entertaining, leading to your outdoor covered patio and pool. A wet bar creates a natural gathering space in this home of more than 5,200 square feet. Ready for multi-generational living or extended stays, you'll find additional bedrooms, including a private suite with a walk-in closet. You'll also enjoy an exercise room and abundant storage throughout. From relaxing mornings by the pool to quiet evenings under the stars, this home offers a lifestyle that's both vibrant and peaceful. With over an acre of usable land, fruit trees, and space to explore, every detail has been thoughtfully considered. Other features include a dog run, chicken coop, and a 3-car finished garage. Private, spacious, and truly one of a kind, this custom Happy Valley retreat is ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.